This 2024 Winnebago Voyage 2730RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Middlebury, Indiana, 46540 and is offered for sale by Royal RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.